All right, it's a slow morning, but now Emily and I are back at it. And what are you working on?
Well, I've been at it all morning.
Okay, she's been at it all morning.
So I cleaned out the pantry in here. It's almost done. I have
here.
a couple like garbagey things that just have to get tossed.
And all that stuff now is in our dining room. So mudrooms right here, pantries right here. All cleared out. It needs to get cleaned, painted, and we're gonna floor it, right?
Yeah, so I'm gonna start using a hammer and demoing it, which would be kind of fun and messy.
All right, so that's what we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna work on putting some cabinets for the base cabinets together so they fit in real nice, and then we'll clean up and drywall the back of the lower cabinets. All right, we'll see you midway. Well, you've done a lot.
I feel like I haven't done anything.
I've done some.
I haven't done the one thing I wanted to do today.
And what was that? Prime?
Prime.
So we want another coat of prime on all these walls. You can still see the green. Obviously that was the color of this whole kitchen. So Emily's primed a bunch, but she needs to prime more, but you tackled these two. Let's look, see how they look. There are no shelves. There's so much room in this
like a little
pantry. And we're gonna put some extra cabinets that we had in here. They're gonna be on this wall here. But they're gonna look good.
Yeah.
And they're gonna just fit. Those are outside. So this is our very small mudroom. But there's a lot going on in here. Stuff's falling off the wall.
This one's gonna be kind of a bear. I think we're just gonna have to mud the whole wall.
It's gonna need a lot of work. So we're gonna put this one somewhat on the back burner until we get the cabinets in. So,
Ooh, it is nice out here.
we got our cabinets right here. They're kind of funky, but I think we're gonna fit them like this because they'll fit better. And that way, there could be a little shelf here, but this will go in the pantry. And then these are the cabinets that I'm working on. And that is where the sink is gonna go, right here. See that? That's what I need to build right now. So that's what I'm doing as we speak. I got my frame started. So I got one door on the left, one door on the right. I'm gonna use Kregjig pocket holes to build this frame. These are the old sink doors. So as you can see, there's a problem here. These are way too big. So I am going to rip these down and redo these with the pocket hole jig and make these to fit. So while it's somewhat unfortunate and somewhat of a learning experience, I'm becoming a cabinet maker. So we got a lot of work to do still, but the day is not finished. All right, we'll see you later. Okay, wow. So, just used the Kregjig, which is fantastic, to put these pocket holes for this frame. And this should work pretty slick. So, super pumped that I have this guy. I used it on a couple other projects, used it on this project multiple times. I'll be using it to attach the plywood to this as well. So, all right, let's put this thing together. So, actually, yeah, I need a tri-XL. But what I'm doing here is I'm cutting the frame or the base for the kitchen sink base. That's what I'm doing. Cutting that all about 3/4 inch plywood that I have laying around. All right.